Hi guys! So it's a very beautiful day today here in St. John's. It's still spring. You can still see some snow build-ups on the side of the road. But now we will go to a long drive going to Fairyland to enjoy this kind of weather, the sunny season. No, not sunny. A sunny day for a spring season. So, let's go! So, before tayo pupunta sa ating long drive, papuntang Fairyland, dadaan muna kami ng McDonald's to pick up some orders para may makakain kami during our drive. Kasi lunchtime na din. Doon nag-heavy breakfast naman kami. So, see you! So, nandito na kami sa McDo, guys. At pipick upin na namin yung order namin. So, tikan na lang ang bababa. Doon ako bababa. So, after nito, punta muna kami sa stopover namin. Saan yan?
Torres Cove.
Torres Cove, bago kami dadiretso ng Fairyland.
Along the way din siya.
Yeah. So, dititaragan natin itong magandang weather today. Malapit na po kami sa aming first stop sa Torres Cove. So, stay tuned guys kung ano yung itsura ng Torres Cove.
Your destination is on the left.
So, ito na po yung Torres Cove viewpoint. Pwede ka tumambay dito. Yan ang itsura niya. So, ayan ang Torres Cove viewpoint. Siyempre, nakalimutan ko ilagay.
Ask ko?
Anong hila? So, tara na guys. Idiretso na natin sa Fairyland. So, yan ang Torres Cove viewpoint. On the way to Fairyland, pwede kayong mag-stop dito.
33 kilometers.
here to help you with your mortgage purchase, refinance, and term renewal needs. Meet those mortgage brokers by your 2022 Canadian Mortgage of the Year. All your mortgage transactions. Call 709-754-0422 or visit CCMI.ca.
So guys, voice over muna ito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala yung sinasabi ko dito sa clip na ito. But then, I was just saying here that we are already there in Fairyland and we're near the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. We're in kung saan nagsunk ang Titanic before. Actually, Titanic happened near Newfoundland and Labrador. That's why Newfoundland and Labrador are one of the provinces na tumulong before sa Titanic tragedy. So, ang Fairyland din is a good place for sightseeing ng mga iceberg during iceberg season, but the time when we went there on this video, wala pa po kaming nakikitang iceberg. So, masyado pang maaga para pumunta mag-sightseeing ng iceberg. So, yun naman yung sinasabi ko dito. Ewan ko kung ba't siya nawala. So, continue watching. So, ayan siya mga kababayan. Wow! Sabi niya dito, the sea's importance to the first settlers. Not long after John Cabot's voyage of discovery in 1497, Europeans from many nations began to fish regularly along Newfoundland East Coast. Among the places they established their shore stations was Fairyland. Oh, this is the history of Fairyland. So sabi, isa daw ang Fairyland sa mga unang place na na-establish before 1947 para isang maging shore station. They selected Fairyland for its sheltered natural harbor, proximity to the fishing grounds and cobbled beaches upon which fish could be dried. On the ancient beaches surrounding the pool, archaeologists have found traces of what are believed to have been cook rooms dating from the early 1500s. Among the artifacts found at these locations are pottery fragments from Portugal, Normandy, Brittany, and the Basque province of Spain and France. So ito siya. So ito guys ang Fairyland. Usually dyan yung po makikita yung iceberg. But at the moment, wala tayong iceberg na nakikita. Huh? So this is the 360-degree view of the Fairyland. Kasama po siya. So yeah, ang ganda. Akala nyo lang maaraw, akala nyo maganda, oh, akala nyo maaraw po talaga. Akala nyo ang gandang mag-swimming dyan sa beach. Pagpunta nyo dyan, nanigas na po agad yung paa nyo.
Napakalamig. Try ko natin itong picture tayo.
So ito, Fairyland. Lakas ng alon. Kakatakot. Yeah. Yan ang Fairyland sa mukha niya.
Maraming fairies.